you're ready to try one of these on your own. So I'm not going to give you the answers to these. I just want to talk to you for just a moment about each of these and make sure you're on the right path. Again, you've got an equation where an apple is being tossed up to a friend and your friend is up on a third-story balcony. So your friend's up here. You are going to throw an apple. Your friend is up here. It's either going to hit her or she catches it, or she's going to miss and it continues on downward. So they give us this equation after t seconds, meaning t is time in seconds, that the height of the apple in feet is given by f of t. So your y value is feet, and your x value, which is t in this case, is time in seconds. I just realized that there's a mistake on the problems that we've been working. I don't know why I didn't catch it earlier, but this variable has to match this one. If this is f of t, these are t's. I think on the other one this said f of h and these were t's. That's really not proper notation. These letters should match. So sorry about that. I'll get on to Miss Hale about that. It's probably her fault. I'm just guessing. Alright, so I wish I could draw real pretty, but I can't. It's almost as good as my singing, my drawing is, but not quite. So here's my girl on the balcony, and you're going to throw an apple. She's going to have to stretch her arms really hard to reach that. How long does the apple take to reach your friend? They're asking you how long, which indicates time. They're asking you to find an x value. At what height above the ground does your friend catch it? They're asking you a y value. Height. How high? What was the height of the apple before it was thrown? Now, this one is a little bit different. We haven't really talked about this type yet, but when you threw that apple, you didn't throw it from ground level because you have a certain amount of height to you, and then when you threw it, I'm sure you stretched your super long arm out and let go of the apple here, and then it took its projected path. So what we're trying to figure out here, oh sorry, that shouldn't have gone there. What we're trying to figure out here is where your apple started from the y-axis. And that's all I'm going to tell you about that. You find that answer. Now suppose your friend missed the apple. How long was the apple in the air? If she totally missed, it's just going to come right back down until it hits the ground and splats right there. Then we have a pesky bird that sees the apple as he's flying by. So your apple is here with your friend here, smiling, and a bird is going to fly in the path modeled by this equation. This is a parabola with a positive value of a, so it does this. And the question is, where might the bird cross paths with the apple? And you're asked to find those values. Okay, you do this. Your teacher has the answers, so make sure that you check and get the right answers before you finish.